Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to go through our Desmos activity. First, what you want to do is when you're in our lesson, you want to make sure you click on this icon right here. Then it will take you to this screen. Make sure you sign in through Google. If it asks you to type in your name, please type in your first and last name. Let's go. So for this activity, they're going to give you a bunch of different numbers, maybe sometimes as decimals, sometimes they'll be fractions. You'll see them as percents. You'll see them as square roots, scientific notation, and that's pretty much all of it. But as you go through, they'll all get a little bit harder as you go through. When you're doing this, all we're asking you to do is going ahead and follow the directions and placing the dots on the correct spots on the number line. So I'll do this one with you. I want you to do the rest on your own. So first it says use the black dot to represent 0.5, or also known as 5/10. So 5/10 or 0.5, we know is actually exactly halfway. That's like 50%. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to find a spot that I think is about halfway. Next, it says use the green dot to represent 4/5. So 4/5, right? If I had to guess where that is, well, I know 4/5 is more than half, right? So it has to be above the black dot. And half of 5 would be 2.5. If I had to think, so if this spot was like 2.5 and this spot was 5, 4, I'm guessing, would be kind of like almost in between them, maybe even a little bit closer in this direction. The next one is 3/10, and 3/10 I know is less than half, so I know it's going to be down here. But I know that half of 10 would be 5. So kind of what we did for scientific notation, I know 3 is closer to 5/10 than it is to 0/10. So I'm going to put it about halfway and then slide it over. So it's just a little bit closer to exactly halfway. And that's what you kind of want to do for each of these problems. Sometimes they'll just be in between 0 and 1. Sometimes they may be in between 0 and 2. Sometimes you'll have multiple numbers on the number line. So please just as you go through, try your best. If you have any questions, please ask your teacher. Thank you for watching.